If you want to enable or disable flashlight on OPPO Reno 15, there are many ways to actually toggle the flashlight. The main way to toggle the flashlight is by simply opening the control center or quick settings. Over here you can tap on the flashlight to turn it on or turn it off. And if you tap on the flashlight text, you can adjust the brightness of the flashlight quite easily. Also, you can go to settings. Over here, scroll down to accessibility and convenience, and then we can go to gestures and motions. In here, if you go to screen of gestures, you can draw a V when the screen is off in order to toggle the flashlight. Besides that, we can also turn on and off flashlight with volume buttons when the screen is off. Actually, volume button, you want to press and hold volume down button to enable or disable the flashlight. Also, we have shake to launch over here, which can be set to turn flashlight on and off too. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.